Hi, so if you're having a lot of problems with bots commenting on your Facebook page saying your account is going to be deactivated or your account is going to be removed or shut down, here is a little workaround to stop it being quite as annoying. So go onto Facebook on your personal profile and go to the page that you want to manage. You have to be an admin of that page. And then what you need to do is switch. So switch to that strategy codes page to start managing it. Switch now, and then you will see that you will switch to be a user of that page. Then on the left hand side, you want to click on settings. And then once that's opened, you want to go to followers and public content. And then once you've done that, if you scroll down, you'll see that you've got two options here. Hide posts and comments with profanity. That's not one that we need to do because these posts aren't swearing on the page. They're annoying, but they're not swearing. So what we want to do is hide comments containing certain keywords. So if you click on the little arrow, you can choose a list of keywords, phrases, emojis that you want to hide from your page. So what you do is just type in the word, hit comma, and then it will save it like this. So you can see that I've already done some today. So deactivated, compliance, violation, deactivation. If you're not sure, just go back, look in your Facebook Messenger inbox, because you will see that some of them have sent you messages, some of them have left comments, and have a look at the common words that they're normally using on these posts. And then once you've done that, you will be able to save it. I can't save it because I've not put any new in. But what will happen is these will then hide any of the posts that are put on your page or any of the comments that are put on your page. So they will still be viewable to the person that wrote them or to the bot that wrote them, but nobody else will be able to see them, which means you don't have to spend as much time keep going onto the page and deleting them every time somebody comments. So it just saves you a little bit of time until Facebook actually gets these bots under control. But it's a little workaround. It's not perfect. Hopefully Facebook will do their job properly soon, and just get rid of the bots altogether. But until then, I hope that that works.